So this is one of my favorite exercises to decompress the hip, as well as the knee and the ankle. And we're going to do all three in this video. So all you need is a piece of band. Worst case scenario, you can always use like a belt or a scarf or something like that. The key here is to anchor it to something that's not going to go very far. So I've got it anchored here to my couch. The other option too is if you don't have something fairly sturdy, to take the knot and close it in a door, and that should give you pretty good bang for your buck when it comes to sturdiness. So we're going to start here by wrapping the heel in the band, and then what you're going to do is you're going to cross the sides over the top of the foot. If you would like some extra traction with this, a pair of sneakers will do just that. The laces on them will make sure that the rubber really, really sticks to it. So then what we're going to do, you're going to straighten the leg out here, and then we're going to use the other leg, so my left leg in this case, to push myself away from that anchor point. Then what I'm going to do is lean back and relax my leg as much as I can. And so what I can feel as I do this is that the band is pulling my leg, and then I've got myself anchored and sturdy through my pelvis. And so what's then happening is the band is creating traction, a little bit of space in my hip joint here. You can pull back a little bit further if you want more traction, whatever's comfortable for you. Hang out here for, anywhere between 10 and 30 seconds, whatever feels good. And then you can repeat that again like 2-3 times. And that should be helpful for the hip. Moving on to the knee, we're going to keep the exact same placement of the band. All that's going to change is we're going to take something to block the upper leg. So in this case, I've got a foam roller. You can use a ball, anything like that should help. Same thing, you're going to back yourself away, and then we're going to place that block under the femur or the thigh. So then what's going to happen is now this is anchored, and that traction is now going through the knee. And so same thing, you're going to just lean back and let the band pull that lower leg and create that little bit of space in the knee joint that we're craving. Same thing, 10, 15, 30 seconds, 2 or 3 times, whatever feels good for you. Lastly, moving on to the ankle joint, same thing. You are going to back off here. And the key with this piece here is you really want to make sure that the band is actually in the right position in this case. So band goes around the back of the heel again. The key here is that it stays below the 2 bumps on the ankle. We call these the malleoli. And the band must be beneath it on the foot to make sure that we are actually getting the traction through the ankle joint. So same thing, you're going to cross that over the foot. Looks like so. So then for this particular exercise, we're going to block the lower leg. And then same thing, we're going to back ourselves away. So now this is the stable part, and the foot is being pulled, and that's going to allow some traction through the ankle joint. Same thing, lean back, relax that ankle, and just let the band do the work for you. Same thing, you can hold 10, 15, 30 seconds and repeat 2 to 3 times. I hope that helps.